You are going to love the 2013 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, quad seating, third row seat, anti-lock braking system, DVD system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.